Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can check out the maps and learn about the map and create a label. So I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. So let's get started by tap this one. Tap map or mini map radar at the top of your screen. And this is the map. You can zoom in or zoom out. So currently I'm starting new fresh account. So this map is Identia. You can tap choose universal, so it will be zoom in. So this is where you start the game, and also you can zooming out and try to search the map, maybe this one. You can track this, and of course you can track this, maybe some event. There are some event here, and also you can get detailed information about the legend of the map, like this fog town, for example. This is the information of the point of interest, and also you can make a label like this, and you can rename it also. So thank you for watching. I hope it's pretty useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.